Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC code P1009 indicates a VTC advanced malfunction in the 2016 to 2021 Honda Civic. This diagnostic trouble code, DTC, is triggered by issues related to the variable timing control, VTC system, which plays a critical role in managing the timing of the engine's intake valves for optimal performance and emissions. Specifically, the VTC system uses an actuator that adjusts valve timing based on engine conditions, which, when faulty, can cause performance degradation, rough idle, or increased emissions. This code may appear alongside other related codes, such as P0341, highlighting the importance of correct diagnostic procedures. It is vital to address this DTC promptly to maintain engine efficiency and avoid further damage. In this presentation, we will delve into the specifics of DTC P1009, its symptoms, potential causes, and the step-by-step troubleshooting process to resolve the issue. DTC P1009 points to a malfunction in the variable timing control system, specifically linked to the VTC actuator A. The VTC actuator is situated on the engine's cylinder head, integral to managing valve timing. Its main role is to alter the position of camshafts related to the intake valves, optimizing performance and reducing emissions. A failure in this component can lead to incorrect valve timing, affecting engine operation and efficiency. The associated VTC oil control solenoid valve regulates oil flow to the actuator, which is essential for its function. If this solenoid or the actuator is faulty, it can prevent the actuator from adjusting timing as required, leading to the activation of DTC P1009. Understanding the placement and role of these components is crucial in diagnosing the issue effectively. Several factors can cause the activation of DTC P1009. The first potential cause is a faulty VTC actuator itself, which may fail to respond to commands appropriately, leading to valve timing issues. Secondly, the VTC oil control solenoid valve could be malfunctioning, impacting its ability to regulate oil flow to the actuator, thereby preventing proper function. Lastly, blocked oil passages within the VTC system can restrict oil flow crucial for the actuator's operations. Each of these causes can contribute to the symptoms observed with the DTC, necessitating careful evaluation during troubleshooting to isolate the specific failure point effectively. The symptoms associated with DTC P1009 can significantly affect vehicle performance. One common symptom is a rough engine idle, which typically arises from improper valve timing caused by actuator failure. Reduced engine performance may occur, translating to a lack of power during acceleration, which can be frustrating for drivers. Additionally, increased emissions may be observed, as improper valve timing can lead to inefficient combustion processes, causing the vehicle to produce more pollutants. Furthermore, in severe cases, the engine may experience stalling due to inadequate air-fuel mixture management. Recognizing these symptoms early is essential for prompt diagnosis and repair, preventing further complications. The first troubleshooting step involves problem verification. Start by turning the vehicle to the on mode without starting the engine, which allows for initial electrical system checks. Next, utilize the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to clear the current diagnostic trouble codes, including P1009. This process helps ensure that only current issues remain in the system for accurate diagnostics. After clearing, start the engine and again check for pending or confirmed DTCs with HDS. If DTC P1009 appears again, this indicates that the issue is persistent. If it doesn't appear, the problem might be intermittent, requiring further observation to confirm the cause of failure under similar operating conditions. In the second troubleshooting step, Focus on the VTC oil control solenoid valve operation. First, test the VTC oil control solenoid valve A to determine its functionality. An operational solenoid is crucial for the proper function of the VTC actuator as it controls the oil flow to the actuator. If the solenoid valve is confirmed to be operational, proceed to the next step of checking the VTC actuator. However, if you find that the solenoid is faulty, it must be replaced. This replacement can often resolve the issue by restoring proper oil control to the actuator, ensuring optimal performance of the VTC system. The third troubleshooting step requires a thorough check of VTC actuator A. Inspect the actuator for any visible damage or operational issues that might hinder its function. The actuator must operate correctly to adjust the valve timing as intended for optimal engine performance. If the actuator is found to be functional, check the VTC system oil passages for blockage, which could affect operation. However, if you determine the actuator is faulty, it must be replaced to resolve the issue indicated by DTC P1009. Ensuring this actuator is servicing properly is essential, as it directly influences engine timing and efficiency. Final repair verification is a crucial step to ensure that all issues related to DTC P1009 have been addressed appropriately. Begin by rechecking for diagnostic trouble codes using the HDS to confirm that DTC P1009 has been cleared successfully. After confirming the absence of DTCs, it's essential to verify the function of the VTC system under normal operating conditions. Conduct a test drive to assess vehicle performance, ensuring that symptoms such as rough idling or reduced power have been resolved. This thorough verification process helps ensure that the repair was successful and that the vehicle is operating as intended, ultimately providing peace of mind to the driver. Preventive maintenance is vital to avoid future occurrences of DTC P1009. Regular oil changes should be prioritized, as clean engine oil significantly impacts the performance of the VTC system. Discussing oil cleanliness, it's also essential to inspect the VTC system periodically for any signs of wear or buildup that could impede function. Keeping components like the VTC oil control solenoid and actuator clean will help maintain optimal operation. Additionally, ensuring that oil passages remain clear can prevent blockages that lead to performance issues. Proactive maintenance measures can save time and costs associated with extensive repairs in the future. In conclusion, understanding the implications of DTC P1009 is essential for effective vehicle maintenance and repair. Following the diagnostic troubleshooting steps methodically allows for pinpointing the exact cause of the issues, whether they are related to the VTC actuator, solenoid, or oil passages. Each step builds on the previous one, ensuring that the repair process is thorough and effective. Furthermore, conducting regular maintenance is vital in preventing occurrences of this DTC in the future. By implementing proactive measures, you can enhance the longevity and performance of your Honda Civic, ensuring a smoother, more efficient driving experience. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.